A clutter-free home isn't just about looks, it's about making life easier. In this video, we're bringing you the top 25 best home organization ideas to maximize space, cut down on mess, and keep everything right where you need it. From smart storage hacks to game-changing organizers, these ideas will transform your home into a neat and efficient space. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the link in the description. This stylish storage ottoman from the Songmix Maisie collection is a perfect blend of functionality and elegance. With a foldable design, it sets up in seconds and easily tucks away when not in use. The spacious interior keeps your essentials organized, while the removable divider adds flexibility. Built with durable MDF panels and reinforced corners, it offers reliable seating and storage. The linen look fabric with tufted detailing brings a chic touch to any space, and the cushioned top ensures comfort. Ideal for the living room, bedroom, or entryway, this ottoman serves as a storage box, footstool, and even a coffee table. The WLIVE fabric dresser is a stylish and practical storage solution designed to keep your space organized. Featuring 5 spacious drawers, it offers ample room to store clothes, accessories, or household essentials. The sturdy steel frame and water-resistant wooden top provide durability, while the lightweight design makes it easy to move. Its modern look blends seamlessly into bedrooms, closets, hallways, and dorms. The breathable fabric bins with easy pull handles ensure convenience, and the anti-tipping accessories add extra safety for your home. Simple to assemble, this dresser is a perfect blend of function and style. The Amazon Basics wooden tie hanger and belt rack is a simple yet efficient solution for organizing your accessories. Crafted from durable wood with a natural finish, it seamlessly blends into any closet. Featuring 20 bars, it securely holds ties in place, while also accommodating belts for a clutter-free space. Designed to fit most standard closet rods, this compact and sturdy organizer keeps essentials within easy reach. This lockable jewelry armoire. Featuring a full-length glass mirror, it provides a clear, distortion-free reflection for effortless outfit checks. The spacious interior includes dedicated storage for rings, necklaces, bracelets, and earrings, ensuring easy access and tangle-free organization. Soft LED lights illuminate the interior when opened, adding a touch of luxury while helping you find the perfect piece. Crafted from high-quality MDF, this sleek and durable cabinet can be wall-mounted or hung over the door, making it a stylish, space-saving solution for any room. Streamline your laundry routine with this modern tilt-out laundry hamper. Designed for both functionality and style, it features a hidden laundry bin for a tidy, clutter-free space. The 3-tier storage shelves provide ample room for organizing detergents, linens, or bathroom essentials, while the built-in metal hooks offer convenient hanging options for towels or accessories. Crafted from durable engineered wood with a sturdy iron frame, this space-saving hamper is built to last. Its sleek, minimalist design complements any room, making it a perfect addition to your bathroom, laundry area, or bedroom. Wall-mounted laundry drying rack by Zetez offers a space-saving solution for drying clothes indoors or outdoors. Designed with 5 heavy-duty aluminum rods, it provides ample hanging space while supporting a sturdy weight capacity. The foldable and retractable design makes it easy to use when needed and tuck away when not in use. Made from durable carbon steel, this rack ensures long-lasting reliability. It includes multiple hanging options with additional hooks and a bottom railing for extra convenience. Installation is simple with the provided hardware, making it a practical addition to any laundry room, kitchen, or utility space. Malvet Shoe Cabinet offers a stylish and practical solution for organizing footwear while saving space. Designed with 3 flip drawers and an enclosed cabinet, it provides ample storage for various shoe types. The adjustable dividers allow customization to fit different sizes, while the top shelf includes a protective fence for placing small essentials. A built-in mirror on the door adds convenience for outfit checks before heading out. Crafted from durable wood and supported by sturdy legs, this cabinet ensures stability and long-term use. Its sleek design makes it a perfect addition to entryways, hallways, or living spaces. Poike Shark 3 Pack Bed Sheet Organizers offer a practical solution for keeping your linens neatly stored and easily accessible. Each organizer is designed with dual clear windows, convenient handles, and removable labels for easy identification, making it simple to find what you need. Crafted from durable Oxford fabric, these foldable organizers are perfect for storing bed sheets, pillowcases, duvet covers, and other home items like towels and blankets. Their rounded rectangular shape fits seamlessly into any closet, optimizing space and organization. A must-have for maintaining a tidy, efficient home. The Kingrack Bathroom Counter Organizer is a versatile and stylish solution for maximizing storage space. With its 3-tier rotating design, it offers easy access to items from all sides, making it ideal for storing cosmetics, skincare products, or kitchen spices. The sturdy metal construction, along with its rust and scratch-resistant surface, ensures durability and long-lasting use. The non-slip feet and elevated guardrails prevent items from falling, while the smooth 360-degree rotation enhances convenience. Perfect for your bathroom, bedroom, or kitchen, this organizer helps keep everything neatly in place and easily accessible. The Sicily Black Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink is a compact and functional kitchen organizer designed to keep your countertops tidy. Made from rust-proof 304 stainless steel, it ensures durability and easy cleaning. The rotatable spout directs water from the sponge into the sink, minimizing countertop mess. Its ergonomic divider design creates 3 separate storage spaces, allowing you to organize a detergent bottle, sponge, and brush set efficiently. Ideal for kitchens with limited space, this holder also features an upgraded brush holder that can store up to 4 brushes. The Hummed Over the Toilet. Storage with basket and drawer is a versatile and space-saving bamboo organizer designed for bathrooms, laundry rooms, or dorms. Made from sturdy, smooth bamboo with a lacquered finish, it offers 7 open storage shelves and 2 non-woven fabric storage boxes for organizing towels, toiletries, and other essentials. The adjustable middle shelf and swappable side storage spaces provide flexibility, while the waterproof feet pads protect against moisture. Easy to assemble, it maximizes vertical space without taking up too much floor area, making it an ideal solution for smaller bathrooms. The Geiken 3-tier Spice Rack is a stylish and functional kitchen organizer designed to enhance your space. With a rustic brown finish and a sturdy construction of high-quality particle board and iron legs, it offers a vintage aesthetic while ensuring durability and strength. This rack's stepped design makes it easy to organize and access your spice bottles, jars, and other kitchen essentials. Ideal for use in kitchens, bathrooms, or any corner of the home, it provides a versatile storage solution. The easy assembly and waterproof surface make it convenient to clean and maintain, offering both practicality and style for any room. The Uposoja Baker's Rack with Power Outlet offers a practical and stylish solution for organizing your kitchen or coffee bar. This versatile rack features 9 open shelves, a cabinet, a wine rack, and additional hooks for hanging utensils, all supported by a sturdy metal frame. The built-in power strip with 4 AC outlets and 2 USB sockets makes it easy to power multiple appliances at once. Designed with flexibility in mind, it allows for reversible installation to fit various spaces. With a durable, waterproof, and easy-to-clean surface, this rack ensures both functionality and elegance in any room. The Botitech 6-port charging station offers a convenient solution for charging multiple devices simultaneously. Designed to keep your desktop organized and clutter-free, it can charge up to 6 devices at once without taking up extra outlets. The 60-watt power output charges smartphones and tablets quickly, with up to 80% faster charging than other USB stations. Each port adjusts to provide the ideal charging current for your devices, ensuring safety with its built-in protection features. The station also supports devices with thick cases, and it includes 6 cables and lifetime technical support. The Pagiriona Makeup Organizer with Drawers is a stylish and practical solution for organizing your cosmetics and skincare products. With a large capacity, it features 2 drawers and a top compartment, ideal for holding tall skincare bottles, foundations, lipsticks, eyeshadows, and lotions. The organizer is portable with a convenient handle, making it easy to move between rooms. Its non-slip design keeps everything stable on your countertop, even on slippery surfaces. Perfect for maintaining a neat space, it also makes a thoughtful gift for loved ones or yourself. The Meaden Art Supply Storage Cart is a high-quality, multifunctional rolling cart designed to organize your art supplies while adding a touch of elegance to your space. Made from durable beechwood with a varnish coating, this cart features 5 tiers, including 3 drawers and 2 wood shelves, providing ample storage for art supplies. It also comes with a detachable acrylic tray for easy access to smaller items. The cart is equipped with 4 smooth gliding casters, making it easy to move between rooms, and a built-in brush holder for organization. Its stylish walnut finish complements both vintage and industrial decors. The Kalimdor pants hangers offer a practical solution for organizing your closet while saving space. Made from durable stainless steel, these hangers are designed to hold various garments like pants, jeans, skirts, and leggings. They feature a non-slip coating to keep clothes securely in place, and the foldable design allows for easy storage. The hangers can accommodate multiple layers of clothing, including heavier fabrics like denim. Available in a set, they provide excellent value for organizing your wardrobe efficiently. The Clear Cabinet Organizer set helps maximize kitchen storage by utilizing vertical space effectively. These shelf organizers are designed to neatly store kitchen essentials like spices, plates, jars, and containers, making your cabinets and countertops more organized. Made from durable PET material, they are easy to clean and come ready for use, with no installation required. These organizers can hold a significant amount of weight and feature a sturdy design that won't easily break or deform. Versatile in use, they can also store small items in bathrooms or as a desk organizer. With their adjustable design, they fit into various spaces and are ideal for maximizing storage efficiency. The Oteri File Organizer Box is a durable and versatile storage solution for keeping your files and paperwork organized. Made from high-quality MDF board with a fabric linen exterior, it features clear sliding bars that allow for easy access to hanging folders without friction. The box's lid fits securely, ensuring contents remain protected. Its foldable design makes it space-saving, allowing for easy storage when not in use. This organizer can store letter or legal-sized folders, as well as kids' clothes, books, and toys, making it an excellent addition to both home and office spaces. Available in multiple colors, it offers both practicality and style. The Messier's interlocking drawer organizer bins offer a versatile and durable solution for organizing various items. Made from high-quality plastic, these bins feature rounded corners for easy cleaning. With an interlocking design, you can customize the layout by mixing and matching the bins to suit your needs, whether for office supplies, cosmetics, kitchen utensils, or crafting materials. This 8-piece set includes 2 large, 3 medium, and 3 small bins, allowing you to maximize drawer space and keep everything neat and accessible. These organizers are an excellent way to stay clutter-free in any setting. The UU Major Garden Tool Organizer is a heavy-duty, freestanding rack designed to help you maximize storage space in your garage, garden, or shed. Made from durable metal, it features a rust-resistant and weather-resistant surface that ensures long-lasting use. With multiple slots to hold various garden tools like shovels, rakes, and brooms, along with removable hooks for smaller items, this organizer offers a practical solution for keeping your tools tidy and easily accessible. The rack's sturdy construction allows it to support heavy-duty use without the need for wall mounts or drills, making it an ideal choice for a clutter-free outdoor storage space. The Las Zola Bamboo Tea Bag and Coffee Holder Organizer is a versatile and space-saving solution designed to keep your tea bags and coffee pods neatly organized. With 3 spacious tiers, it offers ample room for storage, making it perfect for the kitchen, office, or even a cabinet. Constructed from premium metal and bamboo materials, the organizer is both durable and sturdy, ensuring long-lasting use. The adjustable acrylic dividers allow you to customize the compartments to suit various sizes of tea bags, coffee pods, or other items. Easy to assemble, this organizer combines function and style while minimizing counter space usage. The Hoshan Ho Magnetic Knife Block is a stylish and functional solution for organizing your kitchen knives. Crafted from high-quality acacia wood, this durable knife holder features double-sided strong magnets that securely hold a variety of knives, providing easy access while ensuring safety. The block also includes a whetstone for sharpening, adding extra versatility to your kitchen setup. Its elegant brown finish and unique patterned texture enhance the look of your countertop. The non-slip base ensures stability, and the smooth surface helps preserve the sharpness of your knives. Ideal for keeping your kitchen organized and looking great, it also makes a perfect gift. The UU Major Power Tool Organizer with Charging Station is a sturdy, wall-mounted solution for organizing your power tools and accessories. Made from durable metal with a sleek black finish, this organizer features multiple tiers, including 2 shelves and 2 racks, providing flexible storage options for various tools. The organizer holds up to a substantial weight, making it perfect for heavy-duty use. The wall mount design ensures easy installation, keeping your garage or workspace neat and accessible. Ideal for anyone looking to declutter and keep tools organized, it also helps maximize available space. The Max Hauser 6 Tier Shelf Hanging Closet Organizer is a practical solution for maximizing closet space. Designed with open shelving, it offers excellent visibility and easy access to items like sweaters, hats, and accessories. Made from durable, non-woven fabric, the organizer is strong enough to hold bulky items, and its robust hook system ensures it hangs securely from any closet rod. The foldable design adds convenience, allowing for space-saving storage when not in use or when traveling. Perfect for small closets, it helps you keep your wardrobe organized and accessible with minimal effort.